Okay, so hi guys. Today we're gonna make a RC car. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. And first of all, you need a battery box. And you have some batteries in it. You have to put 6 batteries. One here, one there. So I'll close it back. Oh, so like it's quite heavy, so there. So you need one battery box. It should look like this with these sides. So that's one battery box. You would need one of these type of pieces. There's a wire. And you would need 4 of these wheels. And also 4 of these wheels. And 2 Technic axles. And one of this. And you need one of these. I mean 2 of these type of pieces. 2 of these. Like this. See, 4. And you need 2 of these. I just put some tiles on top. So actually I couldn't. My pieces like these are very much low, so couldn't find any more of these. So I just made them. If you have, just use these. And so you would need one of this shiny piece. You can shine with it. And one more shiny piece. Like, I'll just show you better. I'll just zoom in my camera. Oh, we can't zoom in. So, look. I'll just wait. See? Oops, it fell down. I'll just show you. Wait. See? A slanting shiny piece. Oops. So, and you need one of this. And yeah, you need one of these. 2 of these. Okay, so let's... No. You need 2 of these. And, okay, let's start building. So, first of all, you would need your battery box. So, wait, no. Need this. Take 2 of these axles. In first, put 1 axle in the hole. You see the orange hole. You put that in. Take one of these wheels, like this, and a tire on top. Yeah, take that. And then, you see, I'll just show you. Put it on the axle, like that. And put the wheel on it. Okay, so when you then you took one of those and put it. Do it all times. Take one more gear and put it on the other side. And also put it on this side. Keep doing it. Okay, there. Okay guys, when you did that, it might look like a bit of funky. But, okay guys, now let's build the second part. So, you would need one of this first of all, and you see when you got that, put it there, like that. And then put these pieces on each side, 2 of them. So, yeah. Now, you need this piece and then this piece, and then put it all around. The same on the other side, like that. Now it's a C. Now, then you close it with one of those. Okay, now you're nearly done. Now you need this piece, and you see, you have got the wire. So put the wire behind. So you got that. Then put it on the side like that. Now, take your battery box. Remember that there has to be some batteries. Then, you see, on this part, see, on this part, just stick the side of the battery box. And over here should be the light. So then you take a wire, connect it on any sides, B or A or B, any side you want. Now you have to take 2 of these, and then look, put one over here and one like this. See? Like that. Now, you have to put this piece, see, over at the bottom. Now, take this piece and then look. Put it there at the bottom. Take one of these slanting pieces that are shiny and put them on this side at the top. So we have our last piece left. This piece has to go like this at the bottom. And there your RC car is done, and you can power it up. So, yeah. If you have a phone and the power up app, you can use the Batman car. This will go crazy with that. And yeah, see you guys next time. If you have a remote from Lego from 60197 or 60198, you can use that in this. It'll still work. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye.